Santosh and Vivek, any confusion, dot, clear concept?
Yes, sir.
Uh, First of all, we need to go to Vivek. Please open your camera and now time it is feedback.
Sure, sir.
So,
So I
Vivek,
got the understanding of the API integration requirement, and
mm-hmm,
I'm thinking to like implement it using LWC. Like
mm-hmm,
I can have a input field to
yes,
add the search for the contact ID, and
mm-hmm,
on button click I'll call the Apex, passing that
mm-hmm.
ID, and then get the response from the server and show it to the table.
Okay, great. So
Yes, sir.
next session I will cover this. I will create a component LWC. I will pass the instead of the anonymous window, I will pass the ID through the component. Okay,
Right,
and
sir.
I will get all of the response. Actually, all of the response I will get, and all of the response data it will show in the component. Okay,
Understood, sir.
so in the next session I will cover all of this. So friends, Santosh, could you please open your camera?
Yes, sir.
How was session by today? What you learn?
The session was good, sir. So regarding this session, I have learned how to integrate, how to use integration using LWC component, and we can send the data and we can get the response using post method. We can do that and creation of named credentials. I have
Okay,
learned this.
sure. So by tomorrow is a weekend, Saturday, Sunday. I will reconnect on Monday at the same time, and I will go deep dive in REST API integration. Okay,
Okay, sir.